When I was growing up, most medicines were made in America. But today it's a very different story. More than half the pharmaceuticals we rely on are manufactured overseas. And many critical drugs are susceptible to shortages because of an extended supply chain. In fact, only 9% of active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, are manufactured in the United States. This is a national security issue. So today, the FDA is announcing a new program called PreCheck, a powerful incentive that will help bring pharmaceutical manufacturing back to the United States. The FDA is announcing we will cut the red tape and regulatory delays that typically slow down the construction of new manufacturing sites in the United States. In this program, FDA inspectors will work alongside companies from the design phase until the end of construction. This will reduce the guesswork companies often do and help make new facilities ready to go on day one that the construction is done. In addition, we'll streamline the chemistry, manufacturing, and controls, or CMC, portion of the application through frequent meetings and early guidance. We want to hear from you on this proposed approach. FDA will host a public meeting on September 30th from 9 to 4 p.m. We'll present the FDA PreCheck framework and discuss how we can work together to strengthen our supply chain and increase our national security. We look forward to hearing from you.